back to another video. Today we got an email from Harbor Freight. We got some new coupons, new combo coupons for power tools. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Yeah, seems like Harbor Freight is finally listening to us that want a combo kit. You know, save some money and buy the whole combo kit. It's actually better for them to sell in a combo kit because they're selling more tools, they're pushing more money, they're getting more money in the door. All right, so we got the tools make great gifts. So I guess they're running this promo for the holiday, like a holiday special type of thing. You got Bauer. This one we've seen this before. So if you guys need it, here it is. Feel free to take a screenshot or a picture on the computer and show it at the cashier. And the way these combos work is that you have basically you got the items here listed. You got the SKUs with the product number. What you do is you gather all those in a cart. Make sure you have all these. And, well, this is the list here. The kit includes. Make sure you gather all these. And then present this coupon and scan all these items. And basically that's the way you get this discount. So you got Bauer bonus coupon. 20 volt 80 piece 4 tool combo kit. Which is not a bad deal because most of these tools are $50 or more. So you're getting $3 off the bat here. $3, $150 here. Probably more, probably like I would say 180 bucks, 190. And plus this battery and plus this flashlight and the charger and the bag. Well, basically this combo kit is about 60 bucks. So 60, 60, and 60. So that's about 180 bucks there, and then plus this. So you are saving yourself a pretty penny here. You're saving yourself 74 bucks, 74.96. So definitely recommend this for you guys if you guys are willing to get into a platform. Bauer is mostly DIY. It's like gonna be like your Joby. It's gonna be like your home use type of tool. It is a great tool, especially if you're doing DIY projects. You know, weekend warrior type of thing. If you're a professional and if you're really tight on a budget, I guess you could go with Bauer, but I wouldn't go with Bauer. I would definitely spend my money on Hercules. If you're a professional, Hercules is a much better tool. I tested the Hercules. I use Hercules and I beat the snot out of these drills, impact drivers. Yeah, so we got this 4-tool combo kit for $149. Like I said, gather all those tools. Make sure you present this coupon at the cashier, and these coupons are valid through 12/22/19. Here's the Hercules one. I will definitely go with the Hercules. It's a much better tool. It's a much better platform. But if you're a DIY, you know, there's a lot more tools in Bauer. You know, there's blowers, there's saws, there's all kinds of there's reciprocating saws, there's trimmers, and pretty much a string trimmer is gonna come. So like I said, if you need home tools, Bauer is the way to go. But for professional use, if you're just gonna need the basics like a drill, a reciprocating saw, and a circular saw, mostly for professional use, I would definitely choose Hercules. So we got bonus coupon, 20 volt 6-piece 2-tool combo kit. It does include a 1/2 inch drill driver. So a 1/2 inch drill driver, a hex driver, which is the impact driver here. And these are the newer tools because I know for a fact that the Hercules did resign their tools, at least from the outside perspective. I don't know if they did anything on the inside, but they did upgrade the outside look of it. These are actually the older ones. The newer ones are like square on the back. You got a hex driver, and then you got the 20 volt, 20 volt and 12 volt lithium charger. And this charger, like it says right there, it does charge both batteries. I do have two in my house. Two of these chargers. I gotta say they're really when they're not really fast chargers, but they are fast. They'll charge this battery in no time. You got a lithium charger, and then you got the 16-inch tool bag, which is this part, this tool bag. I mean, and I got this tool bag too. It is a really nice tool bag. It's held a lot. You know, tools. It's been thrown up in the truck. Every time I go out of this, on a road trip or something, I put all my tools in there, my power tools, my impact drivers, my Bauer impact driver for the lug nuts and all that. So that's my main toolbox or tool bag for to go bag. And you got the 16-inch, and then you have the two 20 volts, 2.5 amp hour batteries. These 2.5 amp hour batteries are excellent for drills. They are lightweight, and they provide the power. Don't get me wrong, they are very powerful. But me personally, I like to have at least one big battery in the house in case I need to do a big job, maybe do a lot of screws or something, or just have it as a backup. Me personally, I mostly like the smaller ones because they're lighter. The big one gets really heavy. After a while, you're like really tired on your hand. So the big one is a good backup, or if you're doing big jobs. But yeah, it does include two batteries here. This is limit one per customer, valid through 12/22. It says save 65.94. So you got the good, better, and best. I did just recently buy Admiral miter saw. I didn't get it for this price. I got it on the parking lot sale. I got a smoking deal on it. Not a parking lot sale. It's the Black Friday open box sale. I used to have one of these. I ended up selling it because I wanted upgraded to something like this. Eventually, I'm gonna end up selling this, and I'm gonna upgrade to this because I want to try that out. See, this is the one I wanted to get, but I couldn't afford it at the time when I bought this, which is a week ago or 2 weeks ago. But yeah, definitely that's the saw you want to get if you're a professional. This is a prosumer, and this is a DIY basically. This power tool I would definitely recommend it for you guys, especially if you don't want to spend on another battery platform. This will get you all the lug nuts, all the bolts and nuts out of the place. It'll loosen them. It'll break them loose. This is a very powerful tool. The only bad downside is that this thing is super huge. It's hard to get this tool inside in a cramped area. It is really big and heavy, but it will get the job done. Prosumer air impact wrenches, $119.99. This is definitely a good impact driver. Definitely recommend it for you guys if you're a professional. I would go with that too. 20 volt lithium coreless extreme torque half-inch impact wrench. All these jacks are great. Definitely recommend it. I would recommend mostly this low profile. You get a longer reach and it lifts higher, and it is a lower profile. Same thing with this. This is really good. It's really nice. It is the longer reach too. This is the heavier duty one. This is mostly like the snap-on, the same as the snap-on. So $189 is a good deal. I believe we've seen this for $179. Here's the new dollies from Daytona. And here's a new SUV winch or truck SUV winch. 12,000 pound Badland Apex. So this is competing with the top of the line winches out there. $599 is definitely a great price. Competitor is really high in price. I'm not really this price, but it is higher. And it does have a lot of features. It looks really nice. It does have this plate here in the front. Looks really nice on the truck. So definitely recommend that if you're going for the looks and the upgraded, because this one works fine. This one does its job, but this one works a lot better. It's a lot stronger. It's a lot quicker, and it runs This one runs hotter, so it is a, the price obviously tells you what the quality, what you're buying. Same thing with this. I would recommend you get this for like a small vehicle, like a UTV, ATV, something like that. That's a great little winch. Compressors, definitely recommend the Fortress. They are quieter. These are okay, really basic. This one's just for running nails or for inflating tires. Something real small duty, but it works. These are one of the basics. Basic. They are upgraded from the Central Pneumatic, but they are still really good. Definitely recommend these for you guys. These are quieter and really nice compressors. You got the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts, $189.99. I believe there's still a coupon out there for $169. It's for this one, and that one. Only these 3 colors. And if you guys need it, leave me a comment down below. Maybe I can give you or put you down the link to that video. You got 44 by 22 double bank extra deep cabinets, $449. We did see this for $400 at Black Friday. So I don't think it's going to go down soon. So that's probably the lowest for now. You got the end cabinets, the lockers, and the top chest for the 44. I'm not really a fan of toolkits, especially from Harbor Freight. They throw a lot of stuff in there. For $99, you could probably get yourself a much better deal right now with all the holiday sales. But I gotta tell you guys that this little kit I do have. I do have it in the truck. I saved so many people with this. Let them borrow tools, and they are cheaper. It's a cheaper kit that you're not really worried if they're gonna give you that tool. But yeah, definitely saves a lot of people out there. You got the good, better titanium. Definitely recommend the titanium. If you're trying to learn how to weld, I would definitely recommend the titanium. This one will get you 2 pieces of metal stick together. It will get it done, but this is a much cleaner, much better machine. If you're a professional, Vulcan's the good one. Titanium's prosumer, professional to DIY, but this is mostly for DIYs. You got the Braun 450 lumens treble lights. It is wired. This one's wireless. I would definitely recommend these two. These two are great. We saw this for $18.99. I believe the lowest we've seen so far it's $19.99, but we don't have that coupon currently, not that I know of. So $24.99 it is the current coupon. Then we have the 845 lumens under hood rechargeable work light. I do have the review on my channel for both of these. So if you're gonna check it out, look at just type in the name and search on YouTube, and type in 2head147 and my video show pop. You got rechargeable work light, $29.99. This is it is 7 hours of runtime, but on low. Just keep that in mind. It's not really on high. Low is pretty bright, by the way. Low is very bright. It is huge. It will fit on the bottom of your hood or the inside of the vehicle if you're working in a stereo or the dash. Definitely recommend that for you guys. $29.99. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, 2 deals. Yeah, I got more tool reviews coming out on Tuesdays. And if there's any deals, any smoking deals, like the battery, the 9 amp hour battery that we had last Saturday, a lot of people got it. We had that 9 amp hour battery for $32, and that was a smoking deal. Anyways, just wanted to share this with you guys. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.